Books and pencils, that's the rule. Zip it up and wear it tight. Off I go, my smile is bright. Ooh. In my bag I've got my book. Let's all go and take a look. Colors, letters, numbers too. So much fun and things to do. Ooh. Pencil box and lunch so neat. Yummy snacks that I can eat. Notebook ready, crayons near. Learning time is finally